What up, guys? I know, it's been a while. Anyway, it's Sunday, Memorial Day weekend of 2019, and we're off to the Everglades. So excited. I really can't wait to bring you guys along. We're gonna have such a great time. I'm gonna be with my sister, and yeah, here we go. So we made it over here, and honestly, this is like my first time here. I gotta say, so far it's like spectacular. Just like look at this view, you guys. Beautiful. Check out that grasshopper right there. Look at that. Thing is huge. Guys, check out that alligator right there. So cool. So I just want to give you guys a heads up, and I want to apologize in advance about the audio because it's very windy over here. So if you guys can't understand something, I'll just put some like subtitles down below. But yeah. Check this grasshopper out. I'm gonna try to get close before it jumps. Look at that. What are you doing? Oh my god, stop. Let me see. They don't even jump. Guys, check this view out. Just look at this. Absolutely stunning. So we've been here for like 15 minutes already. We've seen like about 5 of those enormous grasshoppers, 1 alligator, and like a lot of fish. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get as much footage as possible. Of course, this is the reason why I'm making this video. But yeah, guys, just wanted to give you an update. Check out the fish. So here's a better view of our view, actually. Check this bird out. He's just chilling right there. Alrighty, so we spotted our second alligator. I'm gonna show you guys right now. I'm not sure if you guys can see him, but he's like right there. So like I said earlier, this is my first time here. I think this place is like gorgeous, honestly. Just look at all of this, guys. You know, there's so many different types of fish. We've already seen 2 alligators. And this is like one of the, I guess, trails or routes that we're going through. I think we have like a few more to go. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that I can get some more stuff for you guys. Check out all of this, you guys. It's crazy over here. Hey. Yeah. All right, guys, we spotted 2 alligators. One is a little far. I'm gonna show you right now. All right, not sure you can see him. He's like right there. And now we're going off to the second one. It's like swimming like really fast. So hold on. All right, so there's one right here, and then there's another one right over there. So now as we're getting ready to leave, like they're all popping out. Now there's one like right there, and there's another one right there. So we made another stop. Earlier I said that we were gonna go like on another like trail route, whatever. No, it's like a different part of the area that we're in. Just kind of want to show you guys this beautiful view. It's like a lake. Yeah, oh, duh. But yeah, it's a lake, and yeah. All right, I'm gonna show you guys some more stuff. And once again, excuse the audio if the wind is messing with it. I have no control over that. So check this out, you guys. how beautiful this view is. And then there's like a trail right over here that we could go. Like literally, I'm almost in the water. Just want to show you guys this, like, look how clear this water is. So beautiful. So while my sister and her boyfriend are ahead of me, I've decided just to vlog and talk because I know that I really haven't been doing much of that in this video, and I apologize. Honestly, for like my first time here, I'm having such a great time. I just love this. Like, there's absolutely no cell phone reception at all, which is what I love. I like to be left alone sometimes and stuff. And the view, just the view itself, like, look at this, you guys. It's just gorgeous. I mean, come on, who wouldn't want to be here? Yeah, so like we're like, I think halfway through this, like, what's it called, lake and stuff. So supposedly there's like rattlesnakes and shit over here, and I'm not trying to get bitten by one, so I'm like rushing right now. All right, this is beautiful. I mean, look at this, guys. So now we're like on the other side of the lake, as you can see. And yeah, this is pretty cool though. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. I've already gotten bitten by like, oh my god, so many mosquitoes, and they're huge and it hurts like a motherfucker. All right, guys, so we started over there, we went around, and now we're here. So yeah, snakes, alligators, lovely. Fuck, I survived it. I got bit like behind my ear, on my hand, on the back of my arm, where my triangle tattoo is, like at least twice. And these mosquitoes weren't like your typical mosquitoes. They were like huge, and that shit hurt. All right, guys, so we're at our next stop right here, Peyote Trail. I guess I'm saying that right. So this is the trail. Looks pretty cool. Just want you guys to see the view over here. Awesome. Oh crap, guys, so remember like when we saw one of these earlier? This is black and yellow though. How cool. Hey buddy. What happened? Alright, so we were right there just a few seconds ago. Came down some stairs over there, and now we're over here. We have a better view of this, where supposedly there's supposed to be, I think, panthers or something like that. Alrighty, so we're at the end already of this one though, but we're going to our last stop. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try to catch this little guy right here. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, cute. Alrighty, guys, so we made it to our final stop. Okay, so let's just check the scenery right now. Ignore my hair, because every time I put my sunglasses up here, it gets like all tangled up with my hair and stuff. So here we go. This is like one of our final stops. I literally feel like we're like in a jungle. Like, check this out. I got left behind. And This place is like a fucking jungle, guys. Like, look at this. I'm being eaten alive by freaking like mosquitoes and everything. So just scratch out what I said before. We have one more stop and then we're going home. It's been a very, very long, hot day and we got eaten by mosquitoes. Like, oh my God, what the fuck? Oh my God, they're like all over your car. Ew. Alrighty, so we just made a quick stop to another lake over here. Just look at that. With it, I'm on top of freaking table, guys. Just look at this view. Alrighty, anyway, there's not that much to see over here, so we're off to our final destination. Alrighty, so we made a quick stop again. And, alright, okay. There's like a gator right here. Hold on. Okay, so I got on this dock. And it's like about to end right there. Oh shit. There was like an alligator and it came out. And now his head just went down, so we don't know where he's at, but I definitely want to get it for you guys. Hey guys, alrighty, so update. We waited like 5 minutes and alligator didn't come up. Alrighty, so we're heading into like another dock right here. Hopefully we'll see something. I'll keep you posted.